no more than you want to be down there listening to me yell them out. All right? Let's begin. Benjamin Tuckett. G.I. Curley.
Here.
Daniel Talbot.
Here.
Company Commander Harold. Company Commander Harold. Has anybody seen Company Commander Harold?
This chopper went down, sir.
The hell do you mean by that?
We lost communication, sir.
Peter Spinoza.
Here.
All right, dismissed.